Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen or my home bar. I'm Jamison and this is how I cook. And this is a very special edition of Mixology Mondays. Mixology Mondays is where I show you guys how I make cocktails in my home bar. So up next, because I'm a huge House of the Dragon fan, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a signature cocktail for your House of the Dragon season finale watch party called the Blue-Eyed Dragon Rider. Up next on This Is How I Cook, on this episode of Mixology Monday, I'm gonna show you how to make an amazing and stunning drink to wow your friends. Okay, before we get into building this cocktail, do me a favor guys, hit that subscription button and turn on those notifications. It really does help my growing channel. So we're gonna start off with a shaker full of ice. And to that shaker, we're gonna add 2 ounces of our Mezcal Sacrificio. This Mezcal is gonna add some smokiness to the cocktail. And if you don't like Mezcal or you don't have Mezcal, feel free to substitute using tequila instead. So we're gonna start with 2 ounces of this Mezcal. Into our shaker, we're adding 2 ounces of Mezcal. Next, we're gonna add in some Blue Curacao. The Blue Curacao is gonna help give some citrus notes to our cocktail, as well as give the blue color that we're looking for in the final product. So Blue Curacao is kind of sweet, so we're only gonna put in about ½ an ounce of Blue Curacao. So we're making a dragon themed cocktail for House of the Dragon. So what we wanna do is add a little bit of heat. And this is hot agave in the raw jalapeno nectar. So we're gonna use this agave nectar that has a little bit of jalapeno spice in it. And we're gonna sprinkle in just a little bit just to give our cocktail a little bit of kick. So this is about 1/4 ounce, just a tap. Into our shaker, we're gonna squeeze in half of a lime. So the juice of half a lime is going in here now. So our final touch is going to be a few drops of blue food coloring. This is going to take our cocktail up to the sapphire blue that pays homage to Aemond's sapphire eye. There we go, just a few drops of that. Get a good seal on your shaker and give it a good shake. Shake it until some ice forms on the outside of your shaker. Finally, we want to pour up our cocktail. So to garnish our cocktail, to finish it up, we've got a slice of lime. And all you want to do is set your lime on top of your ice. We've got a sugar cube. We're going to set that there. We've got some high proof rum. So what you want to do now is drizzle this sugar cube with some high proof rum. And repeat after me, Dracarys. And there you have it, our Blue-Eyed Dragon Rider. Shout out to Aemond Targaryen. This is the hardest part of the video. I get to sample what I've made and created. This is a stunning cocktail in your glass. This is the Blue-Eyed Dragon Rider. Shout out to Team Green. Shout out to the Greens. My man Aemond on top of Vagar. Here's to you, sir. Well, this is delicious. Very refreshing cocktail. I could have put a little bit more lime in there to my taste, but just as a demonstration, this is a beautiful cocktail. You got a little bit of sweetness in there from the agave syrup. The Blue Curacao obviously is going to be sweet. And you got this beautiful blue flavor right in time for the season finale of House of the Dragon. You guys, make this for your party, make this for yourself, put it into a goblet, do whatever you feel like doing. But when you show somebody this, clearly you tell them that, hey, I'm Team Greens up on House of the Dragon season finale. Guys, I gotta get back to this cocktail. Shout out to, what side? Oh, yeah, it's this side. Shout out to Aemond. Hey, you guys be good. And let me know in the comments, are you team green or are you team black? Every time. Every